Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove the background from an image of yourself and then insert yourself into these virtual or Bitmoji classrooms. So if you don't like using that Bitmoji and you want the actual photo of yourself in there like you see in this one, I'll show you how to do that. There's a native app in the MacBook or iPad that does this fairly well. It's called Instant Alpha. In this method, I'm just going to use a website that does a really good job as well. It's very simple, and so this video is actually not specific to any Apple device. This works across any devices. I'm using my MacBook, so I could use Instant Alpha. I do that often in other images to kind of to make images transparent to put into virtual classrooms. But in this case, I'm just going to use remove.bg to remove the background from an image of myself. So we're going to go to the website remove.bg. You just type that into your browser. I'm using the Chrome browser on my MacBook, and then I'm going to upload an image. And I kind of want to show you what that looks like before I do this. This is the original image. So just a picture of myself there. I want to remove the background just as a sample. This will show you how it works. There it is. Very simple. Download the image. There's the original again. That's the one with the background removed. So I could download that image now, and I could go to my virtual classroom and insert myself. There you go. Pretty simple.